Namaste. Today I'm going to show you how to apply pancake. So when we are taking pancake, we will get pancake like a box like this. Here we can find the number and we have to choose the number which is suitable for our skin tone. So here also we can find the number. We have to take care that we have to take a brush, and when we are using pancake we have to dip the brush in water and mix it with the pancake and apply. So I'm sure as this is a new video I'm going to apply some coconut oil, pancake, pan stick, and I will show you how to put pancake. So I am going to show you how to apply pancake. So as I said, dip the brush in water and mix it with pancake and apply on your face. And we have to make it even. So I'm going to make it even. Sorry. So this is how it looks after applying pancake. So for more videos, for more updates, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I am Nanditha P, student of Psychology.